Hey guys, it's Joe from Jordanbikes. Today I've got for sale this little beast. It is an MV Agusta F3 675. Real light little bike is this. It's super cool and looks a business. So it's a 2013 on a 13 plate and it's only done 6,481 miles. Cracking little bike are these. Like I said, they're really light. They go like hell as well. So it's got the Brembo brakes that you've seen there. It's got a double bubble tinted screen, it's got a tail tidy on it, it's got real carbon front and rear mudguards as well, that hug what you can just see there. Aftermarket seat, it really does look the business. We're going to give it a good service and a fresh MOT as well, so it's just really good to go. So it's got 8-stage traction control, you've got power modes, that lovely little digital dash. It's a super cool bike. Give it a fire up. Three cylinders, light as oak, perfect little bike for you. So what are you waiting for? Get yourself down to Jordanbikes and get this little bad boy bought. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.